Okay, so when I play in my project, everything seems to work. Ooh, my bouncies bounce, explode, they do me damage if I'm standing too close, everything works. Okay. If I go into my test project, none of my animations work, it doesn't shoot. So I don't know what's going on. Well, my crosshairs changed color, so there's that. Yeah. So I'm not sure if something exported wrong when I went to test it, or what happened, and I'm kind of afraid to submit. So I'm gonna send this video to the instructors, you guys, and hope that you can help me maybe figure out what's wrong.